Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. You are watching to Veterinary Science for You channel with Dr. Muhammad Iltaf Hussain. If you are new on my channel, so subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to receive more such informative and new videos related to veterinary and animal sciences. Today in this lecture we will discuss antibiotics and its types by mechanism. So the first thing comes in our mind that what are antibiotics? So antibiotics are chemicals which are obtained from microorganisms and are used against microorganisms, or especially bacteria, to stop their growth and reproduction or to kill the bacteria. The next definition of antibiotic is antibiotics are medicines that fight bacterial infections in people and animals, or antibiotic is a drug used to treat bacterial infections. Antibiotics have no effect on viruses, but they affect the growth or reproduction of bacteria, or to kill bacteria, but have no effect on viruses. So antibiotics and its type by mechanism. So there are mainly 6 types of antibiotics by mechanism. These are: the first one is cell wall synthesis inhibitors, the second one is protein synthesis inhibitors, the third one is DNA synthesis inhibitors, the fourth one is RNA synthesis inhibitors, the fifth one is mycolic acid synthesis inhibitors, the sixth one and the last one is folic acid synthesis inhibitors. So these are the 6 types of antibiotics by mechanism, and now we will discuss these types one by one in a brief and short detail. So the cell wall synthesis inhibitors, the first one is, so how they act on bacterial cells. They mainly interfere with the bacterial cell wall synthesis. Examples of cell wall synthesis inhibitors are penicillin, cephalosporin, which act on cell wall peptidoglycan synthesis and disrupt it. The action of cephalosporin is bactericidal, means they kill the bacteria. Vancomycin, which is also bactericidal, kills the bacteria. Beta-lactamase inhibitors, which block cross-linking of cell wall, these are also bactericidal in action. Polymyxins, picetracin, these are the examples of cell wall synthesis inhibitors. Now we come to the protein synthesis inhibitors. So how they act? So they mainly inhibit 30 Svedberg subunit and 50 Svedberg subunit of ribosome. Examples of 30 Svedberg subunit inhibitors are aminoglycosides, and the examples of which are gentamicin, etc. Tetracycline, and examples of 50 Svedberg subunit inhibitors are macrolides, chloramphenicol, clindamycin, linezolid, and streptogramins. The third one is DNA synthesis inhibitors. These types of antibiotics inhibit DNA gyrase enzyme, as a result of which inhibits DNA synthesis. These are also bactericidal in action. The examples of DNA synthesis inhibitors are fluoroquinolones or quinolones, metronidazole, and metramycin. These are the examples of DNA synthesis inhibitors. Now we come to the next one, and the fourth one, that is RNA synthesis inhibitors. So these types of antibiotics are inhibitors inhibit RNA transcription by inhibiting RNA polymerase enzyme. These are also bactericidal, kills the bacteria. And the examples of RNA synthesis inhibitors are rifampicin, dactinomycin, doxorubicin. These are the examples of RNA synthesis inhibitors. The fifth one is mycolic acid synthesis inhibitors. So these types of antibiotics inhibit fatty acid synthase type 1, which in turn provides precursors for fatty acid elongation to long chain mycolic acids by fatty acid synthase 2. Examples are isoniazid, which is bactericidal, ethionamide, isoxyl, terlectamycin, and triclosan. These are the examples of mycolic acid synthesis inhibitors. Now we come to the last one and the sixth one, that is folic acid synthesis inhibitors. So these types of antibiotics action is inhibition with para-aminobenzoic acid, that is PABA, and these types of antibiotics are bacteriostatic, means stop the growth and reproduction of bacteria. The examples of such antibiotics are inhibitors are sulfonamides, trimethoprim, and pyrimethamine. So these are the examples of folic acid synthesis inhibitors. That's all about antibiotics and its types by mechanism. If you have any question related to this topic, so you may ask through comments or through my Gmail, that is driltafvet@gmail.com, or through my contact number, that is 0343899841. For the international people, they can dial 0092 before my contact number. So that's all about the topic, that is antibiotics and its type by mechanism. Thank you so much for watching.